Okay, so someone asked me, Schlag, you asked me what kind of setup I'm gonna looking for. I was too pissed off like 3 minutes ago to answer that. Something I would like to see, obviously a series of lower highs and then a range break to the downside. I'm gonna show you a perfect example from, if you, I'll zoom in a little bit, like this day here. 15th of, I think it was 15th of January. I have to look in the, yeah, 15th of January. Like this would be an ideal setup. I'm gonna show you. So this is, so the 14th, no, sorry, here it is. You know, it looked like a peak, right? It looked like, okay, maybe this is the top, right? So I shorted some that day because it closed kind of weak. And next day it gapped down and pushed back higher. So this is this day here. So you can see it on the 60-minute chart. Gap down, pushed back higher, retested like the middle of the range of the previous day. And then it went kind of sideways for 4 hours. And late day, it started breaking lower from this tight, like $5 range. And look at what it did. It went down like $40 in the next few hours, up into next day. That would be something I would like to see, like a tight range for the rest of the day, and then a breakdown from that range. You know, something tight where you can put on a lot of shares and get like a 1 to 10 risk reward out of the trade. That's been missing from this Tesla short so far. There hasn't been any tight ranges. Like it's just straight down from 10 minutes before the close yesterday. It's straight down 20%. How the fuck do you trade that? It's just impossible. You know what I'm interested in? These oil things. XUP, UWT, Gush. If I had caught that LK trade, I would be fine. Right now I'm in a really bad mood. Really bad mood.